I was asked whether or not I still recommended the Oasisfly35 over the Oasisfly30 using a 530 mAh GNB 4S LIHV. It's coming in at 249 grams exactly on the nose, and we're going to have a look and find out whether we do. What's also important in this video, and I'll show you halfway through how to do it, is we also applied the new tune, or the tune from Superfly for the 3 to 4 inches that everybody keeps telling me to do. Let's find out whether it's worth doing or not. Let's go. Okay, so we're going to move into Betaflight and we're going to make a couple of changes to try and make this Sub250 Oasisfly35 even more snappier than what it already is. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the Express LRS 250Hz link, and what this will do is this will just give us a bit closer to a linear feel on the sticks. And we'll pick that. Now that's not gonna, because we're running the DJI O4 Pro, you're always going to have latency, so you're always going to have a little bit of latency there and a little bit of, I've got no other word for it. However, it will help a little bit on the sticks. Now we're going to go back into presets, and I keep getting told to apply the Superfly preset for the 3 and 4 inch to this drone. So that's what I'm going to do. Now, a long body with no action camera. We're an average build, I'll say that because we've crashed it a few times. We are ELRS or tracer 250Hz. Ignore the rates and stuff because we're going to apply them ourselves. Now then, let's just pick that and select save and apply. And I just want to go into the PID tuning section because I did notice yesterday when I was flying it. Yeah, strange. I don't know why these rates were so low, but we'll have them at about 800. I don't want to have them crazy high because I've noticed having slightly lower rates is a little bit better. But we'll add a wee bit of expo. Not a lot. And we shall save that like that. We'll take it out to the field with a 530 mAh 4S, and we'll answer the question, should we choose this with a 530 mAh 4S, or should we choose the Oasisfly30 with a bigger battery that comes in at around about the same weight? Which one is going to be the better drone? Find out with me at the field now. have to try and find the hole now. And then, there it is. It's looking out for that dodgy branch that's hanging low. There it is. There we go. Ready? Dive bombing the goalposts. Second. think that answers the question. You get 2.5 minutes fairly rigorous freestyle on a 530 mAh. And to be honest with you, with the versatility that this offers over the Oasisfly30, I would pick this every day of the week. I've got the 25, I've got the 30, and I've also got the 35, and I do think the 35 is the best when it comes to versatility. If you do have to stay sub 250 grams, just get a few of these batteries. Gentle sort of flying will get you sort of 3.5 minutes. Rigorous freestyle will get you 2.5 minutes. If you want harder, longer rigorous freestyle, then, you know, maybe consider something else. But the fact this is so versatile for me is absolutely worth that trade-off. And then also, we've applied that Superfly preset, and yes, you was all been telling me for weeks, use this Superfly preset, it's so much better, and I bow down to your knowledge. It is so much better than the stock tune. This video shows you exactly how to do it, and obviously we've got some examples as to what that looks like in this video. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, peace.